G'day guys, it's Nathan back again. Just continuing this series on deration. In this video we're talking about machine fittings. Machine fittings are machined from billet, which is a solid piece of polyethylene billet, extruded the same way a piece of pipe is, except it's not hollow in the middle. So with these fittings we mill them, machine them in lathes and milling machines to achieve what's not available in a moulded fitting, and what will give a full pressure rating that a fabricated fitting won't. As you can see from the images, the fittings have a very thick reinforced section, which is made possible through the large diameter of billet we start with. When you fabricate a fitting from pipe, you might, if you're fabricating a 280mm T, you'll just use 280mm pipe. Outside diameter will be exactly the same. This is why we've talked about deration in previous videos. With a 280mm T that's machined from billet, the outside diameter is likely to be more like 350 diameter. There's no need of deration. The fittings are over-engineered and won't fail under duress. So apart from standard T's and junctions and other fittings that are standard off the shelf, you need to come to us with what you want manufactured from solid billet or hollow bar, because what you want and what's not available to you right now is possibly available from us in a machine fitting. We'll come up with a drawing that suits you, and then we'll machine it, and it'll be fully pressure rated. We can even pressure test it for you, give you full pressure class confidence. What we're providing here is an engineered solution. So if you've got a situation or a requirement that you need, let us know and we'll achieve it for you.